everyone. This is a very rare concept, but I want to show you guys this interesting strategy that I just thought about right now. All right, this is the Supertrend and the Nadaraya Watson indicator. Now these two have been going around for some time, and people have tried to make sense out of it, but it doesn't really click that well in the mind. So I'm gonna put it to the test today, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to use these two together and yeah, make profit with it. But I think the most important thing is to obviously make sure that you are using the strategy as it is intended to be used, and not trying to break the rules, right? So I'm going to show you guys an example right now. So very two simple rules, right? For a sell signal, you need to wait for the Nadaraya Watson to be broken. As such, you can see right here, it is broken. And you need to wait for a sell signal from your super trend strategy. You see that? You got to sell.
Yeah, we'll use this one.
Sorry about that, guys. You got to sell. And look at that. It just drops. It literally just drops. It literally just drops. It literally just drops. Give you another example. You see price breaks out of the Nadaraya Watson indicator, gives you a nice sell here. Literally just drops. Literally just drops. It just drops. All right. Now for a buy signal, that works the same. We haven't gotten a buy signal in a while. Let me just check. Okay, but there is a sell signal. So price breaks out of the indicator right here, and you have a sell signal. I know it's quite far, but as long as we get a sell signal, which is here, you're gonna put your stop loss at the previous high right there. And yeah, you can see price does drop. You know, price drops, and as you can see, it is still dropping. This is currently a 1-to-1, but you can see that it's quite simple and clear strategy. If you love it, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, man, enjoy the strategy. Make sure to always backtest before you implement any strategy that I post on this channel. And yeah, feel free to let me know what your favorite strategy is and what strategies you want me to tell you guys or try and develop in the future. Take care and have a nice day.